for this video. Boom. But today we are here to talk about my first ever Jordan 1 low pickup in history. And I'm going to be honest, I thought that the Jordan 1 low that I was first ever going to put in my collection was the Travis Scott joints. Boom. But I went with the shotted backboard joints, man. I just couldn't pull a $1,500 price tag on them Jordan 1s. If they go down to maybe $1,300, I might pull a trigger. But I just can't see myself spending $1,500 on a Jordan 1 low when I'm such a high OG guy. Well, maybe not a lot of y'all, because it only got like 83 views. But basically what I was saying is I wanted my first ever Jordan 1 low to be the Travis Scott low. But it was the Starfish. Now at the taping of this video, I'm up to my third Jordan low. Jones on the soundtrack. On the week that everyone are anticipating and trying to get these Jordan 1 patent Breds, I wish all you luck, man. I hope you all get your pair, but we already know what kind of world we living in. Some of y'all might have to pay resale, but if you want it, secure the bag, man. That's what I'm always gonna say. But on the week of everyone's anticipating these, I am reviewing the Jordan 1 Bred lows. Yeah, I'm different, man. I like to be different. That's what separates me. And I knew I was gonna like them because they were a Bred colorway, even though they lows. But I knew I was gonna like them, man. But this is my first ever Jordan 1 low that it's not hype, not being talked about bad. It's like mid-level exception. And that's because it's red and black. So without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. You see what I'm saying? Off the bat, when you get this black and gold Jordan box, you know it's either a GR or a GS. You understand what I'm saying? So like, if Jordan brand wants people to respect the Jordan 1 low, they should start with the packaging, in my opinion. Especially that's a red toe Bred colorway. It should have had some more finesse to it. But yeah, you get your regular black and gold box with the 23. I remember about 8 years ago, this was the new box for Jordan. And when you first got this in hand, you were hyped. But nowadays, this box is really considered Jordan's regular box. That was a dope look too, back in the days when this box first came out, the gold 23s on the paper. Bam. Here go your Jordan 1 Breds. Sneakers so low is really not too much to talk about. But I kind of like that wing logo on the back. I think it's the Travis Scotts that really made me like that wing on the back. But you come in your black shoestrings. They don't come with extra shoestrings, but that's cool. They're low. Really don't want to do too much with too many shoestrings. They go your red toes in there. Has some bounce back. Black around the outsole. White color blocking. Black leather swoosh on both sides. And then your bottom all red. Comparing them to the Travis Scott material wise, it's not far off. It's not like Jordan brand minimized the quality of the sneaker. The quality seems to be the same on both shoes. I mean, besides that nice backward swoosh, everything seems to kind of add up on the sneakers. I'm not mad at this purchase, man. I know a lot of people feel a way about lows, but in my opinion, being a high OG guy, that I will go low before I go mid. Like, that's just my opinion. I had the Blue the Great mid. Shout out to Blue the Great, doing a lot of good things in LA. I didn't keep them because I knew I wasn't going to wear them, and I knew someone would put them straight to foot. So shout out to Blue the Great, though, man, and shout out to the guy or girl who brought that sneaker from me. This is something I'm just picking up there. You have that 23 stitch in the inside. So it is something different on here than a Jordan 1 high. Let me know in the comment section below, did y'all cop these? I got these straight from Nike for $100 maybe 3 weeks ago. I called Nike the other day. They said it looked like it's been lost in transit and offered me a refund. And then this morning they just popped up. I don't know. Someone wasn't doing their job, I guess. But yeah, let me know how y'all feel about these, man. Did y'all cop? I didn't look at the resale because I plan on keeping them. Well, I look at the resale even when I don't plan on keeping them. But I didn't look at the resale. But I'm thinking $100. I'm thinking this sneaker may be going for like $160, $170 right now. But I think in a couple of months, this would be like a $250 sneaker. Unless Nike restocks it again out the blue. Let me know, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.